Today we're going to be going over trailering. We get a lot of questions on our HD model. I brought a GMC HD 3500 to show you how to actually hook it up, show you the different trailering features.
Friendly and stress-free, we're Valley GMC.
Hello, Aaron here with the Valley GMC. I'm here at our sister store, Valley RV Super Center here in Kent. I'm with Nate, one of the sales reps, and today we're going to be going over trailering. We get a lot of questions on what features do our HD models have. Today I brought a HD 3500 AT4. It's going to feature all of our trailering options. There's a little checklist before you take your trip. Is a hitch securely mounted, trailer connected, electrical connection plugged in, lights working properly, safety chains, jack stowed, wheel mount, mirrors adjusted, brake gain adjusted. So this particular model's got a little brake gain down here. You can test it out. You can also adjust your gain down there. The other cool part is on this, you can change your checklist. Are you using a conventional trailer, fifth wheeler, gooseneck? So there's different checklists for different tows.
It's really cool.
It's a really cool option. One of my favorite options is you get into the camera mode. This would have saved a lot of arguments, making things more enjoyable. You can see my hitch going to there, and then I can come down and drop right down, and it's guiding you right there. I'm there, I'm hooked up. Rather than rely on somebody in your mirrors, this just solved all of that.
That's extremely helpful.
You've got your side views coming out to the side, so you can actually see what's behind you on the sides. You know, here we're right above. Then you can get into, you can add actually more cameras along the trailer. Those are for purchase, and actually see your full tow clear to the back of the trailer.
Makes the whole experience a whole lot easier.
It sure does. Hey, thanks a lot, Nate, for allowing me to come in today. Lots of good capabilities with towing. We can do gooseneck, we can do fifth wheel, we can do trailer pull. I can be reached at Valley GMC 253-737-2026. Nate can be reached here at the Super Center.
Yep, 253-737-2082.